All right, here's a good question. Sort of a tougher one to see what you have to do with it. Okay, so tetraphosphorus formed, so I came up with a balanced chemical equation. I wrote down grams under each one, and then it said it actually produces this many grams of that tetraphosphorus hexaoxide. So this, to me, sounds like that's how much they got when they did an experiment with it. So that's how many it produced it. Then they say calculate the percent yield for it. So what I need to do is calculate the theoretical amount of product, and then compare it with the 21. So we do our normal limiting reactant thing, figure out the moles of P4, done, moles of oxygen, done, and then take this one, the P4, and see how much of oxygen I would need if I use the mole ratios. So to 3:1, this is how much I need of the oxygen, but I've got way more than that. So the oxygen is the one is in excess, and P4 will be the limiting reactant. Okay, so I started doing stoic with P4. So I need to find moles first. Already done that. Then use the mole ratio. It's 1:1, and I get the same number. And then I find the mass produced, so multiply it by the molar mass, and I get this number. So theoretically, if I reacted 26.2 grams of P4, 67.3 grams of oxygen, I would get 46.5 grams of the P4O6. However, they said I only got 21. And so I can use a percent yield formula. So this is how much I got in the experiment, divided by how much I get when I do the stoichiometry, theoretical, times by 100. And I came up with 45.2. Is that one of the answers? Yeah, not that answer. Where did I get 46.5 from? Oh, that's how many grams got produced. No, my percent yield is that one, 45.2. Hopefully that helps you.